4645 species in genus Hieracium. The enigmatic hawkweeds, a journey into the world of Hieracium. My name is Ferbu, and I've always been drawn to the intricate beauty of the natural world. Lately, I've become fascinated by a particular genus of plants known as Hieracium, commonly called hawkweeds. These vibrant wildflowers, with their sunny yellow blooms and intricate morphology, have captivated botanists and nature enthusiasts alike for centuries. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of Hieracium, exploring its diversity, evolutionary quirks, and ecological significance. A diverse and complex genus. Hieracium belongs to the Asteraceae family, a massive group that includes sunflowers, daisies, and asters. What sets hawkweeds apart is their unique flower structure. Unlike many of their relatives, Hieracium species possess only one type of floret, the ligulate floret. These strap-shaped florets come together to form the characteristic, tightly packed flower heads we see in hawkweeds. The genus boasts an astonishing number of species, estimated over 4,000, depending on taxonomic interpretations. This incredible diversity is largely attributed to the genus's propensity for apomixis, a form of asexual reproduction where seeds are produced without fertilization. This leads to the formation of numerous microspecies, often with subtle morphological differences that make identification a real challenge even for seasoned botanists. A taxonomic puzzle. The sheer number of Hieracium species, coupled with their apomictic nature, has created a taxonomic nightmare for scientists. Classifying and delineating species boundaries within this genus is a daunting task. Traditional morphological characteristics often prove insufficient, leading researchers to explore alternative methods like genetic analysis to unravel the complex evolutionary relationships within Hieracium. A global presence. Hieracium species are predominantly found in temperate regions of the Northern Hemisphere, with a particular concentration in Europe and North America. They exhibit remarkable adaptability, thriving in a variety of habitats, from meadows and grasslands to rocky slopes and alpine regions. 4645 species in genus Hieracium. Ecological significance. Hawkweeds play a vital role in their ecosystems. Their flowers provide a valuable source of nectar and pollen for a variety of insects, including bees, butterflies, and hoverflies. The seeds are also a food source for birds and small mammals. However, some Hieracium species, particularly those introduced to new regions, can become invasive, outcompeting native plants and disrupting ecological balance. The allure of hawkweeds. Despite the taxonomic challenges they present, hawkweeds continue to fascinate botanists and nature lovers alike. Their vibrant flowers, intricate morphology, and remarkable adaptability make them a compelling subject of study. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or simply appreciate the beauty of wildflowers, the world of Hieracium offers a fascinating journey of discovery. As I continue to explore the intricacies of this captivating genus, I am constantly reminded of the immense diversity and complexity of the natural world. Hieracium, with its myriad species and evolutionary puzzles, serves as a testament to the ongoing processes of adaptation and diversification that shape life on Earth.